Hey guys, I had the Kenmore 5000 in this window for a little while, but I took it out because I didn't need it in the window. So yeah, and I have a clip fan in my bed, so I'm fine. So it's a really essentials clip fan. Just a little quick update from the ACs. They're still in the garage. Some of them I haven't showcased yet. Can't even open my window. There we go. Outside it's like 30 degrees out, but Kenmore is.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I was just coming in your room.
Oh.
It's time for bed. What are you doing?
I know. Just making a little video.
Huh?
Nothing.
Making a video of what?
Air conditioner. So yeah, it's Kenmore.
Bed.
Okay, and?
It's time for bed.
I never made a video in like months.
You just made one the other night.
No, I didn't. The last time I made was in New Year's.
Shut everything off when you're done.
Okay. Yes, the compressor does click. Hasn't started in like 2 days, so yeah. It's like we'll do the fan first. Low fan. It's gonna be a quiet spin up. Hi, fan. It's actually kind of powerful. Just the that's low. Model number and stuff. Data manufacturer. Model 580.7505050. 5000 BTUs. 115 volts. This has got to be in 2007. And when I first got this off the curb or somewhere, or when I first got it in trash, came with all the window sides, cleaned it all out. There are no bad bearings or anything, that's good. I really want a Gold Star version and a Zenith version, which they don't make, which they do not make, which they currently do not make anymore. Just kind of sad. Actually, hold on. We are going to start the compressor in between, so here we go. Oh dear. Holy crap. Because this compressor is so noisy. Making everything out. So I'm going to take this grill out. Just Nova. do the sheet right there. Refrigerant. That's one cool. Oh, no, it's quiet now. Nope. Is your fan on? Let me straighten that out. There we go. Compressor's making everything rattle on this thing. Shut it off. It's not a good video. Pressure shut down. So this thing ain't gonna run for a long time. So yeah. Alright guys, bye.